it's Sam. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a room tour of Phoenix's room. We just recently rearranged the furniture in here for him because we changed out our guest room into an office for Jay so that he had more space, and we decided to give Phoenix the queen bed. So he's got a very nice queen bed in here and he loves it. But today I'm just going to show you guys a little tour and take you around his room. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Don't forget to click the notification bell if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so when you walk in the room, it looks like this. So the first thing you see is his bed. We got this bed, actually we got this a long time ago. This was one of his, I think this was his first big boy bed that he got when we were in Montana, and we got it from Ashley Furniture. This little comforter was for his twin bed, but obviously it doesn't fit on this, so I've just put it at the bottom so that if he wants extra warmth, he can have it. I think that's from JCPenney, or maybe even Bed Bath & Beyond, I can't remember. The two blue pillows are from Decor. The bedding is from California Design Den. The lily is from me, made by me and Jay.
Carpet.
This little rug is from IKEA. IKEA has great rugs. He got a fridge and then he has a basket with all of his little like Valentine's Day yummies on there. He's got a little trash can, and then over here is his closet. So actually the closets are pretty decent. I mean, it's not like a walk-in or anything, but it's pretty good size. And then these are his little pictures that he had in his bedroom when he was a little baby, when he was a little toddler. So he's got some, that's when we went and visited Long Beach at the aquarium, I think.
That's the aquarium.
Oh yeah, that was the aquarium. Oh no, that was at that was in Vegas. That was when we went to the Rainforest Cafe. Look how tiny they were.
We went to Vegas when I was like 2.
Yeah, baby little. We went all over the place when you guys were little. It's not focusing for some reason. Oh, there we go. Yeah. And then there they are. Look how cute they are.
Again, and
there she's a little Christmas pudding.
And then my bag.
Phoenix with his cute little hair. That's us at Long Beach in front of the Queen Mary, I believe. So those are Phoenix's little pictures. And then over there, he's got a wall hanging. I think I got that from either TJ Maxx or Marshall's. Phoenix! Do you remember what your paint color is called?
Sleepy blue.
Sleepy blue? Okay, good job. So the paint color is Sherwin Williams Sleepy Blue. He actually picked it out when we were building, and it's actually a really beautiful blue. I do love it. Over here we have his little picture. I actually found this at the thrift store, so that was really cool. Look how cute that is. It says Seek Adventure. I found it at Goodwill and it was super cheap.
What?
I think it was like $4. Oops, sorry. He's got all of his little stuffed animals. Over here he's got his nightstand. This is also part of the bedroom set. It's from Ashley. He's got his Alexa show. Is that what it's called? He's got his little Aquarius book. We found this at we found this at Barnes & Noble's. His little jellyfish thingy-mabobber we got from the aquarium in Charleston.
Oh, I know.
What, baby? This lamp, I have no idea where I got this lamp from. He's got his little worry doll. This my nanny sent to us. He's got his little drowsy dragon dust. These little bears. I think we found these thrifting or something. I can't remember, but they're so cute.
Remember we got these
Oh yeah, at the aquarium. They're so cute.
Where's Phoenix's?
I don't know. Go ask him.
I think he got like the turtle or something.
Oh yeah. And then he's got a little hummingbird. We found this thrifting. Some shells from the ocean. A little Ray Dunn candle holder thingy. A little geode that I got. Oh no, this was from Santa, wasn't it?
In the inside it looks really cool, but it looks like barf on the outside.
It does look like cat barf. Let's just flick it so it's on the ends. That's cuter.
Yeah.
And then I think he got this for Christmas in his stocking as well. It's very cool. Curtain rods are from Target. They were, I forgot what, was it room? No.
$200.
I can't remember what it was, but they're at Target. And then these curtains are so nice and velvety. These I actually found on Marshalls.com and I love them. The tone of them is really pretty and the velvet is really soft. Moving over to this corner, which Lily has already messed up. I'm trying to keep this clean, child.
I tried to put it back in my
Okay. That bucket is from Target. He keeps all of his stuffed animals in there. And then this bookcase I actually found at TJ Maxx, and I still need to get the tag off because it's still on there. We've had it for so long.
Wait, where?
Look at the TJ Maxx tag on the side of this wooden shelf.
Oh, yes.
Look at that. That's so silly. Can you peel it off for me?
Probably.
Thanks, babes. He's got a little basket full of his cars. And then this is his bookcase. They have a lot of books, so he keeps all of those in there.
I bet you have like 110.
You think so? I bet there's more than that.
200? 300?
Who knows? I don't know. And then he's got his little Beechwood Essentials air diffuser. And then over here is a bunch of Peter Rabbit books that I found thrifting. Some Enid Blyton books that were mine when I was younger. These are like some little books that I had when I was like younger as well. I still need to take the tag off of this as well. So we've had this for seriously so long. So you want to go get your little safety scissors? Cut this off for me. This was, I think, in the Target dollar spot. And then I have no idea what this is, but he has it somehow. This was a little ornament that I got from my friend from Moonplay Cosmetics. She sent it to us for Christmas. And Phoenix really loves it, so he just keeps it on his shelf. And then we have a picture of Bean Bean. That was on our cruise in Alaska, which is so fun. You gonna cut it off for me? Yeah, we went to Alaska. You don't remember that?
Nope.
Yeah, we went on all the vacations when you guys were too young to remember, which is such a bummer.
I was probably like 2.
Yeah, I think you were younger than that, actually. I can't remember.
Was it like 5 months old or something?
Hold on, I got it. Oh, there we go. You want to go throw that in the trash for me? Thank you. And then put your safety scissors away, boo-boos. So he's got like a bunch of his chapter books over here. And this is books for both of them, so we just have all of our books in here. He just reads chapter books nowadays. I think he's read all of those, though. He really likes the Diary of a Wimpy Kid, which he actually keeps in a separate area, but he has like the whole collection. He thinks those ones are really funny. Okay, then we have this little wall hanging, which I probably got from TJ Maxx or Marshall's. They just have the best dream catchers and wall hangings and that kind of stuff. Yes, baby?
Did you say a wall hanging or a dream catcher hanging?
Well, they're both kind of the same thing.
Well,
they hang on walls, but they're dream catchers.
But how could a wall hang?
Wall hanging. And then over here is his dresser. So that also was like part of this bedroom set. So we got that at Ashley Furniture as well. It has been through so many moves. It has been beat up. The kids have colored on it a few times. As you can see over here, we've had it for a long time, but it's really great. And it does actually like hold a lot of stuff. Like the drawers are really big, so I can't get rid of it just yet because it just holds so much stuff.
I've been watching like a ladybug and cat show.
Oh yeah.
It's like superheroes, and one is like dressed as a ladybug and one's dressed as a cat.
Oh my gosh, how fun.
And they save the world. And,
wow.
And each time when someone gets mad, this evil person turns, like he has little butterflies and he turns evil, and then the butterflies turn the people into like super villains, and then they look all crazy sometimes. But the ladybug and the cat always win.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. He's got his little Super Nintendo. This is like the old school so that they can play Nintendo like we did when we were kids, which is super fun. He's had that for a long time. And then a little dinosaur that he painted. A little incense burner, which we are out of incense at the moment. His first piggy bank. And that is his room. She likes it, doesn't she?
Yeah.
She's a wild one. Aren't you, Oni? Oni, Oni! It's the Oni Oni show. She just runs away. So that, don't you, no. That's Phoenix's, that's not yours.
Good girl.
So yes, that is Phoenix's bedroom tour. It's very cute. The bedrooms in this house are not like the most ginormous bedrooms, but they're really good. I think the size of them is pretty darn good for what the kids want. And he's kind of at that age right now where he doesn't play quite as much in his room as like when you're little. Like he spends most of his time either playing outside with his friends. He's 9 now. trying to think what I did when I was 9. I think I played outside and then wrote poetry.
Worst life ever.
You think that's the worst life ever, writing poetry?
You just play outside and write all day?
I wrote poems about dolphins and then I drew pictures to go along with my poems. You should try it. It's fun.
What even are poems?
You know, things that rhyme. It's like a rap.
Like Smiggy Piggy Leggy?
Exactly.
Or, wait, what rhymes with dolphin?
Well, I said, in my heart is a dolphin, trapped, dying to get out. It was very deep. I was very deep when I was younger.
Like me, remember that?
Yeah, you're very deep.
Remember that picture I drew?
Yeah, what was your picture about?
It was nighttime, and there was a girl, and I'm really proud of like making her sit on her knees.
Mm-hmm.
I really like that. She's like sitting on her knees like this, and you know how when people are sad, they do this.
Yeah.
And then they look back at something.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I drew, and then I draw like some grass.
Fiona, don't be chewing on that. That's not yours.
And I drew like some grass and then some water behind it that came all the way to like this part.
Yeah.
And then I made the sun.
Mm-hmm.
And then I made a bow with like little like squiggles
Uh-huh.
on the side.
Mhm.
So it looked like there was a shark that ate half of the boat. And then I draw the tail of the shark.
Mm.
And I drew like little pieces from the boat
Mm.
that came off. And then I drew a person inside that was dead.
How did she die?
Well, because the shark like...
The shark ate her?
No, well, her body was still there, but the shark like...
Wow, that's horrible. Is that why your friend is sad on her knees?
Yeah.
What inspired this art piece?
And
Oh dear. What inspired this? Why did you decide that this was something you wanted to draw?
well, I was going to draw like... I don't know what I was going to draw, but I was going to draw like a person. Like I saw in a YouTube video like how to draw like a person head.
Uh-huh.
And then like just a person head, and then I would draw the body how I usually do it.
Mhm.
And then I tried to draw a head.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I did draw the head, and then I made the body,
Mhm.
and then I think I made like a little like curve accidentally on the bottom. And I was like, why don't I make those knees? And then I made a little like line accidentally because it was like kind of hard to draw on like this part.
Uh-huh.
And then I drew the arms, and then I just came up with the idea of...
Oh, so you weren't sad when you did it?
No, I just like came up with it.
Oh, is it just like super random?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. So there was no sadness of anything?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. I thought you were sad about something and you were putting your emotions into your art.
I mean, I would do that.
But you didn't for that picture?
No,
Oh.
I'm just like, ooh, that would be cool.
I see. That's really cool. I like it. It was very deep. Very nice picture. She looked sad. She had sadness in her eyes.
And like, I made her eyes like curved kind of.
Mm-hmm.
And then I like made a dark circle.
Yeah, they looked really sad.
And then I made her mouth like this.
Yeah, like like melancholy.
Yeah, like just straight.
Mm-hmm. You did really good.
Thanks.
I love your art. Okie doke. Well, there's Phoenix's room. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like his little domain. Do you like hanging out? What happened to your foot? How did you cut your foot?
Just scratched it on here.
On the bed?
Yeah.
Whatever will we do? I don't know either. I think you'll be okay though.
Yeah.
So there is Phoenix's bedroom tour. I actually really like it way better. Before he had his desk in here, and then he had a twin bed, but we decided to give Jay's other tiny office to Phoenix since he does the most homework at the moment. And then he has like that little office now, and then Jay has the guest bedroom downstairs, which this bed used to be in. So I like it. It's really nice. We don't have a whole lot of guests, and I was kind of just feeling like that room was wasted, and poor Jay doesn't have much room in his little tiny office for all of his stuff. And so whenever he's looking for something, what inspired it was that he was looking for our initial paperwork for when we first bought the house, and we needed to show it to... What are you doing?
You look cuter when your hair's down.
Well, thanks, Lil. But he couldn't find any of his stuff. And he's like, oh, all my stuff is spread all over the place. I'm just so frustrated. And so I was like, okay, well, why don't we just change the guest room, make it your office. You can have all of your stuff in there, and then we'll give Phoenix the guest room. And then that way, if we do have guests, they can have his room, and then he can just sleep with Lily or sleep with us. Or we have a couch. So it just made it so that it kind of made more sense, and like there's more functionable space on a daily basis versus just a room sitting there for no one to come into. I mean, we have had a few guests, but it's not very often. So I think it's better this way. What are you doing over there?
I'm shrinking and then baking.
Oh, fun. So now we're gonna go work on Lily's room because her room is an absolute disaster at the moment. I don't know how this child is so messy. How do you get so messy?
It was a coconut that was living in my bed.
Oh, a coconut did it. It wasn't her. So that's how we are going to spend our Saturday, is cleaning up her despicable mess. I'll film it as well so you guys can see it before and after, because it's so bad right now. It's embarrassing. And I just cleaned it for you.
We are going to go shopping, but it was too cold outside. And also, it looked like a raccoon was living in my room. So
we decided to skip the shopping. She's become quite the shopaholic lately. Yeah. But I said, why don't we stay home and clean your room?
We were going to go shopping, and I was going to buy like 500 things maybe. It only cost like $1. What?
They've been doing chores, so they get paid every Friday. So she's been saving up some money. And so she wanted to go shopping.
And we get paid every Friday $5, but if we only do it for like 3 days or 2 days, because we're busy on the other days, then we only get that many dollars for how many
They
days?
get $1 Monday through Friday, $1 a day.
Like if we did it only one day, we would get $1 on Friday. If we did only 2 days, we would get $2 and $3 and $4 and $4 and $5. And I already have 11, and then I get 5 more today. Actually, no.
So you're gonna be rich.
I was supposed to get 5 more yesterday because it was Friday yesterday, so I would have $16.
What do you want to buy?
$200. I want to buy $200.
She wants a whiteboard. Yeah. She wants to get a big whiteboard for her room so that she can do all of her whiteboard art, and then Daddy have it hanging up on the wall.
And I can also do my math problems.
Oh, and she wants to do her math problems as well. So that's the goal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, maybe if we get done with your room, we can still go get that.
Yay!
But we gotta hustle.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys all like Phoenix's room. He was so excited. We did it for him while he was at school and surprised him, and he was so excited when he got home, and he loves it. So, and they ended up having a little movie night, didn't you? In here together, and then did you fall asleep and have a sleepover?
I fell asleep this night, but I didn't.
Oh, last night?
I didn't fall asleep on Friday.
Oh, gotcha.
But because he didn't want me to sleep in his bed.
You mean Thursday?
Yeah, he wanted like to feel it. He wanted
alone.
Yeah, he wanted to like be in his big bed all alone, and then he would let me in.
Gotcha. But last night they had a sleepover.
Yeah, and I fell asleep anyway, so he didn't want to wake me up.
Was it comfy?
Yeah.
Was it?
It was definitely like, it had like 1,500 blankets on it, even though his other bed was hotter, and I only had 1 blanket on. That one was colder though.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, there you guys go. Now you guys know all the gossip of the bedrooms. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys again soon. Bye.
Bye.